10 second, 5 second, start. The respondent had filed a suit for declaration and injunction to prevent use of the said trademark in the court of District Judge Salim, which was registered as ordinary suit number 148 of 2016. Another suit was filed on 19th August 2016 in the District Court of Indore, but this suit had been rejected on 16th November 2016. There was also a suit by the respondents in the High Court at Calcutta, registered as civil suit number 195 of 2016. Proceedings in this suit, however, was initially stayed in view of pendency of the suit in Delhi High Court, and subsequently this court had directed the respondents to withdraw this suit. Both the petitioner and the respondents had filed two transfer petitions in this court before the present one. These two transfer petitions were registered as being TP number 1320 of 2018 instituted by the petitioner and TP number 1676 of 2017 that of the respondent for transferring the opponent suits to the courts in which the respective parties had filed their suits. Now the petitioner wants the criminal case pending in the Salim court to be transferred to the Patiala House Court. New Delhi, two main grounds have been urged on behalf of the petitioner in support of his plea argued by Mr. S. Guru Krishnan Kumar, learned senior advocate. One is that the points involved in the criminal case are similar to the suits which are being tried and determined by the Delhi High Court. The other ground taken is that the proceeding in the Salim court is being conducted in Tamil, which the petitioner does not understand. It has been also urged on behalf of the petitioner that it would be more convenient for the parties to conduct the proceedings in New Delhi as the civil suits are being heard in the Delhi High Court only. The petitioner also complains about distance of over 2000 kilometers between Salim and petitioners. Between these two places, the authorities relied upon by the petitioner and Sri Jayendra Swarswati versus State of Tamil Nadu and others, and Ram Kumar versus Central Bureau of Investigation, New Delhi 2012. It is also asserted on behalf of the petitioner that the respondents have influence in Salim and he has apprehension that he would not get impartial inquiry, investigation trial at Salim. Mr. Gopal Sankara Narayana, learned senior advocate, has highlighted in course of his submissions on behalf of the respondent the delay in approaching this court seeking transfer of the criminal case. As per his submission, proceeding was registered on 5th April 2018 and has made substantial progress. The complaint has reached the stage of cross-examination of the complainant's witnesses by the petitioner. The transfer petition was filed on 12th January 2021. He also points out that personal appearance of the petitioner during trial stood dispensed with by an order of the Madras High Court. It is also his submission that the case pending in the Salim court has criminal elements which ought not to be mixed up with the civil suit, relying on a judgment of a coordinate bench in the case of Umesh Kumar Sharma versus State of Uttarakhand 2020 and an earlier decision of this court in the case of Gurucharan Das versus State of Rajasthan 1966. He has argued that to sustain allegation to lack of neutrality in trial as a ground for transfer, credible materials will have to be brought before the court. His argument is that there is no such material that would justify transfer on this ground. Certain decisions have been referred to on behalf of the respondents on the point that civil and criminal proceedings can go on simultaneously in relation to similar transactions.